Hey, can I just say something? Have you ever looked at the latest home decor trends and thought, well, this doesn't really feel like me? Or maybe you've tried to follow a trend, bought all those cute pieces, but when you put everything together, it just felt off. Yeah, I've been there too. And today I want to talk about why home decor trends sometimes feel like they're so overrated. Let's be real. It's time to decorate our spaces to reflect who we are really and not just what's trending. Stick with me because this is gonna be good. Trends are like that one friend who's always hoping to the next thing, right? 1 minute, it's all about velvet everything, and the next, it's all about mid-century modern. Trends come and go faster than we can blink. But your style, that's unique to you, and it sticks around. You remember when industrial decor was everything? Exposed bricks, metal furniture, and everything looking like a downtown loft? Cute, for sure, but now it feels kind of dated. I mean, who has time for all that maintenance? I once jumped on the open shelving bandwagon for my kitchen, thinking it was the coolest thing ever. After a few months, I realized I don't want my plates on display. It just didn't suit my vibe. Your home is like a reflection of you, your memories, your journey, everything that makes you, well, you. It's not about following trends, but creating a space that tells your story. Think about it. Every souvenir, every artwork you pick up on your travels, it's a piece of your life puzzle. Why not put that in your home? That way, when you walk into a room, it feels personal, like you. Decor doesn't have to be perfect. It needs to be comfortable. A comfortable, cozy couch or lounge area with mismatched pillows and soft throw blankets, well, that's fine if that is what you feel like doing. You know what? Your home doesn't need to be perfect either. It doesn't need to be Pinterest worthy or symmetrical. What matters most is that, it feels comfortable and like a place you actually want to spend time in. I know some people will come for me. It's controversial, to be honest, but the truth is, be you, be real, enjoy your decor and enjoy your style. I'm all for mismatched pillows and comfy throws. Your space should be a place where you can truly relax, not where you're constantly stressing about whether everything is in its right place. Believe me, I have been there. And there's nothing so stressful like just trying to figure out have I done it right? Are my friends or my family members gonna think or see it as something perfect? But then again, it becomes overwhelming and we don't want that. So I used to worry about every pillow matching perfectly, but now I embrace the cozy chaos. It's a vibe and I love it. Trends can be expensive and short-lived. Let's talk about how trends can really hit the wallet. You go all in on a trend, buy all the must-have pieces, and before you know it, that trend is gone, just like that. So what happens? You're left with pricey stuff that are just sitting around. That whole velvet craze, sure, it looks gorgeous, but it's not exactly practical. Velvet stains easily, and let's be real, it's a pain to clean. I once bought a super expensive marble coffee table thinking it was going to be the showpiece of my living room. Fast forward a year and I realized it didn't even go with the vibe of the rest of my room or my home. So be careful on what you buy. Buy things that you love, buy things that you enjoy having in your home, things that really integrating very well with the kind of deco aesthetic that you have in your space. That way, it's gonna last longer and it's gonna be timeless. Embrace what you love, not what's popular. At the end of the day, your home should reflect what you love, not what's trending on Instagram. Decor should bring you joy to your life, not just check off a style box. If you love vintage or quirky decor, go for it. But don't feel pressured to fit into the latest trends. Your home should be a mix of things that make you smile, not just the popular items. Sustainable and personal decor choices are more valuable. What if you could choose items that reflect your values, like eco-friendly or locally made pieces? That's decor that's not just in, it's meaningful. Plus, it feels good to support small businesses and sustainable practices, I love shopping for upcycled furniture or supporting local artists. Those pieces have a story behind them, and that's what makes them valuable to me. I started buying less but choosing things that truly matter to me. It's been so fulfilling, and honestly, my space feels richer, because of it. Decor is about how it makes you feel. Your home should make you feel a certain way, calm, happy, at peace. It's not about what looks good on Instagram, it's about what brings you peace and joy. Picture this: if you walk into your living room and instead of feeling stressed by clutter, you feel at ease because it's filled with things you love. How amazing is that? Trends can make your space feel generic. The problem with trends is that they can make your home feel just like everyone else. Sure, your space might look cute for a minute, but does it really represent you? Instead of following the trends of minimalist, neutral everything, why not add some bold colors or personal touches that really speak to you? I used to be obsessed with making everything look perfect, but now I embrace the weird, the fun, and the unique. And guess what? It makes my space feel so much more fun and peaceful and enjoyable and everything positive and good that you can think of. Trends don't reflect your life stages. Your life isn't the same every year, so why should your decor be? As your life evolves, your space should evolve too. If you're a new parent, you might need more practical furniture, or maybe you're living alone and want a sleek, minimal look. Your decor should change with you. My home has gone through so many phases: single life, married life, kids. So just be you and choose things that, go with what you're feeling at that particular time and period of your life. Embrace imperfection. You don't have to have everything perfect to make your home beautiful. In fact, sometimes those little imperfections are what makes a space feel lived in and loved. Whether it's a lamp that's a little quirky or a picture frame that's not perfectly straight, embrace the little things that make your home unique. I used to stress about things being perfectly aligned, but now I let my home be as imperfect as I am. And honestly, it's so much more comfortable that way, and it makes my life much more easier and simpler, and I love it that way. All right. Are you ready to stop following trends and start decorating a space that truly is yours? Let me know in the comments how you're going to make your space reflect who you are. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more real talk on home decor, and share this with someone who needs to hear this. Until next time, keep decorating from the heart, and see you next time. Bye.